So let me tell you a story how I did this bee. Well, firstly, I admit I did it 2 years ago. And I'm showing you just right now because I have so many videos I want to show you, but, well, no time. Okay, so firstly, I got this wooden cutout. I painted it, this part I painted with white paint on both sides twice. And careful with the thingies on top. Not sure what they are called in English. I'm sorry, but these are breakable. They break. The other, I only paint this side white. Then I chose this rice paper. And as you can see, I use my water pen. Like this, quickly. Did it, tear it up. And then, oh my God, I said quickly and it doesn't work. Oh my. Okay, I chose this rice paper, one side, and then I just put a little bit from the other part of it as well there, as you can see here. Then I used Decoupage glue, of course. Firstly on the bee itself, and then I put the rice paper on. This is what I am doing always with rice paper, not with napkin. Don't do this with napkin. The napkin will be too wet for it. So I did this, and I am hoping you are not hearing the car, which is right now. Oh my God, why are you doing this to me? Anyway, so I did this, then I put more decoupage glue on top and glued it on. Of course, the head I didn't do because the head is full. I mean, it will be black, so it doesn't matter if there is rice paper or not. I did this, let it dry, of course, and then what I did was sand off the excess, as you can see here. So I was sanding it off. You can even cut it off if that works for you as well. And then my trusted glitter decoupage glue, which I applied on top of it. Oops, yep. And make sure no excess, because excess, as I always say, will dry out white, not clear. So this is the one side where the other part will go. And now my bee, I just put a little bit of modeling paste here and there for, I don't even know how to say it, like this fuzzy look or something like that. So I just did it here and there. I just applied a little bit of the paste. And what I did before it dries, I will show you. I just took a wooden pick, and I did this, like that, lines. I did lines, and this is the way it will dry, and it will stay that way. So I did this, let it dry, and now it is time to paint my bee, this part. So firstly, of course, black, and then the wings will be like beige color and such. Trust me, I looked how a bee should look like. I know we all know this, we have this image how a bee looks like, but still I had to look. So I painted that. Careful, it takes a little bit of time, and we don't want those little thingies to break. Okay, now it is time to seal it. I sealed my top with matte varnish. You can use glossy one as well. I just was going for a rustic look. On the other side, I decoupage a Q Fairy, bee, and then I used a stencil and modeling paste to apply a harlequin design around it. And this I also let them dry. You always take the excess of the paste away, so you just leave it like this. It is dry, it is time to paint it. To be honest, I didn't show you the whole process because you can paint it, your design, the way you want it. I just play with it. I go with it. Sometimes it turns out completely different than the way I had it in my mind. So have fun with it, play with it, blend, whatever. See, I took even a little bit of the excess here and there. Okay. Now, my bees are technically sealed and done. All I did now is wax paste for a little bit of shimmer here and there, as you can see here. And notice the little thingies on top, if you are still watching, are still intact. Yeah, you know what I am about to say. Okay, so I did this wax paste carefully, nothing broke, everything was great. Then I put some express glue, so I, put those two thingies together. So apply a little bit of pressure, make sure it will really comes together. It really fits the both sides. Because when it's glued, it is glued. It is hard to put it, apart. So make sure it is really like this. And as I was doing this, it fell down. And the one little thingy on top broke. So this is why you are you are seeing the bee with a clay flower, because I must admit it broke and I nearly cried because it was finished. But okay, I think it's cute anyway. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Until next time, bye.